Hey, welcome to the brand new Gourmet Fishing Super Short. I'm your host, David Murray. And these super shorts are going to be real quick, little short videos that we're going to put out once a week, kind of sort of during midweek. And we're going to take a look at creating sauces and rubs and side dishes and even adult beverages and other little things that will go along with some of our past videos and some of the new dishes that are upcoming. But before we can get to our super short, you know what we got to do. We do have to take care of a little bit of business. So why don't we go ahead and get started by, well, rolling the open. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And hey, don't forget to also click that notification bell. If you do like the video, hey, make sure you click the little thumbs up button. And please, we encourage you to leave comments. Also, you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Remember, Instagram, well, it's got 2 T's in gourmet. One of those things we just had to do. And down below in the description, we do have a downloadable recipe for you to download. Anyway, we are going to take a look at oven roasted Brussels sprouts. Now you might be going, Brussels sprouts, little teeny cabbages. Anyway, they really are very, very good. So I tell you what, let's go ahead and get ourselves started. You can see, yep, they look like little teeny cabbages. But what we're going to do is we're going to come in and we're going to cut the end off and then remove a couple of the leaves like so, and then we'll come in, cut it down the middle, and we'll toss it in our bowl. We've already got some trimmed up and ready to go. Again, we'll come down, cut it, remove a couple of these leaves, move those out the way, try not to cut ourselves, and voila, now they're ready to be seasoned. So move that out the way. We'll come in, we're going to get a little bit of olive oil. This is just extra virgin olive oil. Now I'm going to come in with a little bit of pepper. This is our coarse ground pepper that we like to use, and then some kosher salt. I'm going to give this a little bit of a toss, just like so, to get them all nice and coated. And where are you going? And then what we're going to do next is put these in a microwavable bag. Exactly, microwave. Yes, something simple, quick, and easy. We're going to put it on high for about 5 minutes, then take that out, and we're going to put them on a sheet pan and begin our oven roasting. So I tell you what, we're going to take a quick little break. That's kind of nice about video, is we can stop and come right back. So I tell you what, give us a sec and we will be right back. All right, the magic of editing. 5 minutes has elapsed, and check this out, man. We have these beautiful little Brussels sprout mini cabbages, and yeah, they smell like cabbages and broccoli and so forth. So what I did is I took them out of the bag, put them back in my my little bowl that I originally seasoned them with, and tossed them again. And now I've got a small little baking pan, and I'm going to come in here and just spread them equally and evenly apart, trying not to let them sit on top of each other like so. And come on, let's go. There we are. Okay. And now we're going to put these in a 425-degree oven for 15 to 20 minutes. We want to look for that nice little dark caramelization that's on top. And then after that, we're going to come back and hit it with a little balsamic vinegar and some agave nectar from the blue agave plant. That's what they make tequila with. So I tell you what, again, another little quick break, and we'll come back and we'll get started with our agave nectar balsamic vinegar I can't talk today as usual topping. So give us a sec, we'll be right back. All right, our little 15 minutes has elapsed, and check these out, man. These are great. Look at that. Oh man, the caramelization's all over them. Look, we got these little crunchy leaves. They're gonna add a little bit of neat flavorful texture when we bite into it. So I'm gonna put these aside over here. Now it's time for us to make our balsamic agave glaze. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of olive oil, not a lot, just like so, and we'll have all the quantities that you need in the recipe that's in the description below. Now we're going to add a little bit of our balsamic vinegar, like so. Looks like about a tablespoon or so. Now I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to grab our agave, our amber agave nectar. Do about the same thing. That's about a tablespoon. But we'll give you all those ingredients and quantities in the downloadable recipe. So here we go. We're going to get this all mixed up and get that agave and our balsamic vinegar and our oil all together. It sounds like the birds are enjoying what we're doing here. So here we go. We're going to come in. We're going to coat these just like so. I don't think I need all that. Now I'm going to come in, give them just a good toss like so. Okay, now, Good. Now, let's come in here. Oh, look at that. Oh, yum, yum, yum. Wow. There you go. That is our oven roasted Brussels sprouts served with a balsamic and agave nectar glaze. So again, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you click that notification bell. And if you like the video, please hit the little thumbs up button and leave any comments you like. Again, follow us on Facebook and also Instagram, where there are 2 T's in Gourmet. And again, one more time, down below in the description is a downloadable recipe with all the quantities and everything that you need to prepare and cook our little Brussels sprouts. So until next time, God bless, and we'll see you then.